That's nice. Hey, wait.
Fox makes a sparkling
Hey, dance.
Rate USA Today. Brave Fun, a ferociously smart comedy. The TV equivalent of an
Rocky, Superman. Superman. Rocky.
So brashly vulgar, it's endearing.
You like it?
Superman.
Pretty sweet.
Tag off.
Superman.
Don't miss TV's breakout comedy, Cougar Town, 9:30 tonight on City TV. Fox makes a sparkling
Hey, dance.
Rate USA Today. Brave Fun, a ferociously smart comedy. The TV equivalent of an
Rocky, Superman. Superman. Rocky.
So brashly vulgar, it's endearing.
You like it?
Superman.
Pretty sweet.
Tag off.
Superman.
Don't miss TV's breakout comedy, Cougar Town, 9:30 tonight on City TV.
Uh-oh.
Still looking at the RSVP from your dad.
Oh, right. Maybe that's because I didn't send him an invitation.
He's your father. He should be
Citrus.
I didn't know him. We're not that close. I haven't seen him in years.
Well, what are you going to do when he finds out he wasn't even asked?
Well, he doesn't have to know. It's not like we run in the same circles. I hang out with you guys, and he stars in the Dracula in Vegas. You don't want him there either. Nobody's going to be staring at the bride. Your father's room is wearing a back dress.
And white. As long as he's not wearing a white dress and a veil, I don't care.
Yeah, I think I need to do some shopping. What do you think you're doing?
Yeah.
In the windshield?
You Petey, huh? How long have you been going out?
Over a month.
Wow. Maybe you and I have to get to know each other a little bit.
Sure, I'd like that.
Yeah. So, what's your name?
Superman.
Wait. Do you
Aha! I saw you.
There's a game on Tuesday. You wanna go?
Dali, Superman.
Let me make sure I'm not doing it.
Paul.
Aha.
What's
It's your suitcase. We're going to Las Vegas.
Oy! Are you okay?
No, Samba Rocky.
No, it's fine.
Las Vegas to see your dad. I want some talk and I want to sell my father-in-law.
Rise is the event you've been waiting for, the Roche Bridal Super Sale, January 14th through 17th at the Money Casino Hotel. This is your only chance this year to save on top designer wedding gowns, tiaras, veils, and evening wear. Don't miss the Roche Super Sale. Roche.com for details.
Excuse me, I need the box.
Has a deep attraction to dirt. Your own mouth just doesn't get it. New Super Wetsuit is redesigned. It cleans deep and hard-to-reach corners and edges. Its solution penetrates layers of dirt, and its absorbent pad blocks it away. Clean better than a mop. The newly redesigned Super Wetsuit. Clean better or your money back.
Shut up. You shut up. You shut up. Shut up. You shut up. Patty. It's double the done. Weekdays at 5 and 5:30 on Omni One.
Listen, you know how when you wear pants and you lean forward, I check out your underwear?
Yeah.
When Jake did it, I saw that he was wearing
Batut.
I know, they were mine.
Excuse me.
Superman!
Excuse me, Mama.
Okay.
No.
Rocky, go under a tree. Cowboy. Cowboy.
Papasok yan dito daw.
Cowboy roll.
Cowboy rope. Okay, Rocky, the Superman! Ladies and gentlemen, Rocky the Superman! Like this, like this. Wait, Superman, like this. Yo!
Dad?
Yeah. Rocky.
No. I'm God, Superman.
How about you? What? Are you a cowgirl?
Uh-huh. Dad, whoa! What?
Oh,
I'm okay.
cowgirl fell. What? That hurts. Superman, dali. Arigo. Takot ang bato yun. Takot. Ow.
No. It's okay.
Love, tete, love. Love. Embrace. Oh, no.
I'll be like that.
Oh, no. It's just gonna fail you.
I got an idea.
Embrace, tete. Dali. Oh. Push na.
Here, I'll protect that.
How about give those bottles to Papa?
Yeah.
It's Rocky. Rocky. Ito yun.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Come here. Look. Look. Wait nga. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Ahem. Thanks, bot.
I'm gonna use something else for a superhero thing. Who wants to get something here and use them for a superhero thing?